Hey friends, Greg here with the Pennywise guys. Hey, I want to show you how you can restore blemished, scratched, scarred, chrome-plated hubcaps with a very inexpensive process. Let's get started.
Alright, let me show you the damage to this hubcap here. You can see the obviously rubbed up against the curbing, typical for a right side of a vehicle, and the chrome is coming off the plastic. Just rash around the rim, pretty damaged inside here, all the way down. Okay, and being here, that's the chrome that's peeling off the plastic. So we're going to go ahead and trim all that chrome off, get it smoothed out as best we can, and I'll show you how that's done, and then we'll go ahead and recover it and get it looking as best we can. It won't be perfect, but it'll be far better than what you see, and you're saving a lot of money. To replace these factory hubcaps, if you can even find them, would be as much as $300 a set. To get non-factory hubcaps that are chrome finished like this, that look similar but not factory, anywhere from $100 to $200. So just a few dollars, we can have this thing fixed and have it looking fairly good. Alright, let's get started. After washing it down with some detergent, get all the road grime off, we're going to try to trim this chrome off the best we can using a regular flat razor blade. Okay, so what you do is you cut it along the length of the area where it's coming up. So now that's smooth. This is still got some, so you can work it in there and try to, we're just as flat as we can go with it. Just trims it right off. Okay, so now this is good right here. This piece will come off here. That feels good. Down here, you can catch it with your finger. Here you can't catch it with your finger. That's really good. So we're going to take and lay it flat, go along with it, and just trim it off, just like that. It'll peel a strip. That is really good. A little bit right here, so come back and trim that off. Okay, that is looking really good. Continue here, down the line. Feeling really good. Okay, this right here, you can see it or not, little piece right there. I went ahead and took off this whole piece because it was all scratched up. So if you go your width, instead of going like this with the tear, you go against it, and you can actually pull this, and the chrome will peel off the plastic. So I'm going to cut it off to right here. So go ahead and score the chrome with your blade, just like that, and then it tears nice and clean. Okay, there you go. So this whole area now is, I had a bunch of scratches in there. I figured, you know what, those are going to show up. So I decided to go ahead and peel that whole section off, and you can just go with it like this and peel it, and it'll come right off. It's all scratched up here, so I'm going to cut it from here to here and peel this whole section off. There's no reason to leave it, so just make a nice straight cut like that, and then come back and start to peel it and get a hold of it. Okay, we're going to go ahead and I'll peel this off and come back and grab that. So grab it here, peel that off. Careful not to get cut, because the edges of the chrome is sharp. Cut this up here, peel that off. Okay, so that area is, oh, got a little bit right there. Come back and trim it along the, let's see, there it goes. What I'm going to do is cut it along this groove. Just score it, and then come back. And if you get a pair of pliers, it might be easier. Just careful not to get cut. Peel that off just like that. Now I'm gonna come back and get this where I scored it back to that spot. Pick up that corner here. Just like that. I scored a little bit deeper. I don't think I scored it deep enough. I'm running down the same cut. Okay. There we go. Got it deep enough. There we go. Okay. Just wipe it down, wash it, get all the grime off with the alcohol. And we're gonna cover this here, down here. Okay. Take a clean rag and dry it off. Let's go ahead and start on this big area first. We're gonna just get a approximate size. We're gonna overlap to the existing vinyl and get a width here. We'll go ahead and pre-cut a piece. Okay, I got a piece pre-cut. It's gonna fit over that area, okay? And then we'll trim it off after we get it on there. I use another razor blade to do this work. Got a clean new blade. Peel the liner off of the, so I get it started here. Okay, do this all day long when the camera's not on. When the camera's on, okay. Let's try this again. Grab it like that so it's on the back of it, peel it off. And now it's stuck to the razor blade. Don't touch the back. Get it lined up. Go ahead and start putting it on. Just like that. And we're gonna go ahead and wrap the corner because we went a little bit in there. Okay, we're gonna trim it here. We'll take the new blade, we'll go across the top. Just like that. Okay, you can rub it down, make sure it's trimmed nicely. Okay. We'll go ahead and we'll come back and do the inside. Now, there is before we do any more, we're gonna have to pull off. It's a cleared liner on this vinyl. So grab flick the edge and you'll see the cleared liner, that little cellophane there. Pull that off. So if we do any overlap work, we have to have that gone. And now it's bright and shiny chrome vinyl, and that covers it. It's not perfect. You'll see some ripples here along the edges and stuff. But man, I tell you, between that and this, it is a big improvement. We'll go ahead and cut another piece and we're gonna put it right in there. Just a piece to overlap. And I don't need it that long, so I can trim it off right about here. Okay. And we'll sometimes you flick the edges with your blade. You get it just like that. You get it started. Grab it and let it stay on the blade like this. It helps you to not touch the back of the vinyl. And we're going to overlap it to where it doesn't overlap the other direction, but it overlaps the other part going in. Okay. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and wrap this one here. And okay. So to buy these hubcaps, as I mentioned, to get the factory hubcaps, if you can find them, because upwards between $200 to $300, probably closer to $300. Okay, I'm going to put this on an angle. See how that's kind of on an angle? I'm going to put this on an angle, start at the corner here, the edge here, and go like this. Okay, you don't have to go straight across, you can angle it. Okay, we're going to go ahead and trim this across the edge. I'll go ahead and get this area right here. I'm going to leave the curb rash here, here, and a little bit down here. It's not too bad looking. I'm just going to leave it for now. We'll get this spot, and down here a little bit, and we're done. Okay? You can always come back later and do more. You know, it doesn't have to be done now. If you don't like it, do a little bit more. See, we're going to get this piece wrapped in there. Oh, I didn't pull the film off of this one. Let me do that right now. See how I just pulled that film off? Squeeze it on there, pull it off. Now it's hanging from the razor blade. Gonna overlap it about 1/8 of an inch. All right, about 1/16 away from the edge, and push it down. And it's got a contour here. We're gonna cut that off and cut it off here. Just like that. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and trim across the top. Just like that. Okay, push that in there, and then that 1/16 of an inch around the corner, and we're done with that part. And we can flick the clear liner off if I can find it. So here, just flick the edge and you'll find it. There it is. Peel that off, and now you got the shiny chrome. I'm gonna push it into the indentation, or the contour of the wheel there. And there we go. Let's go ahead and get this part. That's good right there. Go ahead and cut this right across here. And I'll get all that vinyl left to do all kinds of projects. So really, a couple dollars of the vinyl saved you about a $75 hubcap. So, and you know what, about an hour of my time. Okay? I think this one here, I will leave it straight across. We'll go this way, I'll leave it straight across. Doesn't have to be angled on this one. Okay, grab that edge like that. Hold it here so you're not touching the back. Line it up straight across and rub it on. And I've got enough to overlap. That's going to be good, and I'll trim that here. I've got a cut right here. Let's cut straight down. Nope, do it this way. Okay, a little bit of cut there, and get it to go inside. Just like that. This one, and then down to here, and then we're going to trim the edge. Just take it along the edge of the hubcap and just cut it. Okay, grab it here. You can see it. Let's grab that piece and pull it down, and there we have it. And we'll get that line. That clear liner is still on there, so we're going to pull that off. It's there. It's just a real thin film. Okay, let's just check to make sure. If you get an air bubble, you can always take and poke it with your blade and squeeze it out. Okay? Squeeze the air bubbles out. Okay. I will finish the rest off camera because it's down below here, and we are done. All right, we're all completed. It's looking good. My daughter's very happy with the results. I went ahead and put a link in the description for the chrome vinyl that I bought from Amazon. They have other colors and different types of vinyl. Check out, see what you need for your project, and I hope it helps. You guys have a blessed day. I sure hope you enjoyed this video and it was a help to you. I'm a general contractor and a lifelong do-it-yourselfer, and I enjoy finding ways to save time and money and helping others to do the same. Here at the Pennywise Guys, we're a group of contractors, friends, and family that have a wide range of experience in all different areas. And we want to share these videos with you to help you with your projects at home. So please like, subscribe, and share, and join our team. Also hit that notification bell to be notified of weekly videos. I pray that you are blessed, that you know Him who is the author of life.